Hello my friend, today I want to show you how to make the screen record. First we need a software, this one, Ocam. Click Ocam, double click to open the software. Here is very easy. First one is record, we click and it will begin to record. Second, to capture the screen. This one, resize, we can change the different size of the area. Click this one, this size, and we can also choose the full screen like this or other size, and also we can drag here to change the size. Here, click here. Okay, we chose the full screen for this time, and this one, after you record, and you can open the record file here, the video MP4 file. This one keep default is okay. This one we can choose the microphone. Which one? Now we use the ATR. It's my microphone, ATR USB. Okay. And for here have something option we can change. For the record, we can see there are many options, including the curse. Always on top, use this one, hide app one, many things. And for here, for the normal use, we use this one is enough. If for the game, it's not enough. And if bigger, the record file will become bigger. The better, the bigger or smaller. We keep 15, something like this. And for the quality, here is the medium, very high, and the record file will become very big. Medium is enough for this time for use. The keep frame rate, keep 10. Second one is for the game. We don't need it for this time. For the resize, here we can choose different record area. No need to change. And for the sound, 1+2. This one. Capture, no need. This one, no need. Hotkey. Here we can use the hotkey for, we can close this one or hide this option, this windows, this small windows we can hide and use the shortcut hotkey. And for the effort, here the left click, here the right click, we can see the left click like this. The color also we can change like this for the red one, and also this one change something but not important. For the size can become bigger or something, you can try yourself. And for this one also something can change, not important things, you can try yourself. And for the right click, and for the highlight effort, for this one, the yellow one, and for the size, color, cursor size. Okay, something like this. And for here, to save the video name, you can change the name style, and also the output path, different place. Time limit, here I think is enough. Watermark, you can use some PNG file for the watermark. The camera, you can add camera or the laptop camera for here. Performance, not important things. Language, here also have the Chinese, no change for now. Okay, we click OK, and we can hide here. We can say it's here. We can use the hotkey Ctrl+4. Then it began to record, and we can do some work. Something like this. Undo tool got. And after this finish, we can click stop. Now we already finished the screen record, and here we can open. This one is the one we just made. We open, record, and we can do some work. Something like this. Undo tool got. And after this finish, okay, it works. So this is the lesson you can follow to learn how to make a record yourself. Okay, thank you for your watching. See you next time.